Alright, hello everyone, it is now time for bedroom fire alarm test 20. Let's go ahead and take a look at all the devices we have on the board today. So, for the pole stations we have on the left a notifier BNG-1 and on the right my FCI MS2. Going up above we have, for the conventional smoke, a system sensor 2400. The strobe is a system sensor SS-241575ADA, and on the right is a Gentex SHG-241575WR. This is a slightly older variant that can do march time, and that's how I have it set up for today. So let's get started. Alright, so for today we're just going to be doing the pole stations. I don't feel like setting off the 2400 today. So we'll start with the MS2. And as always, there's audible silence. And next we'll do the BNG-1. Alright, we're just going to reset these pole stations. Now, a little something with this MS2 right here. I got it brand new, and it looks really good. As New Age Server Alarm once said, if you find one brand new, get it brand new. So now I'm just going to reset the system. And there it is. Alright, so before I close out the video, I just want to go ahead and say that I am back in school now, after about like 6 months. Granted, it's virtual, but I am back in school, and a lot of the associated activities have also started back up. So I'm quite a bit more busy than I have been in the last few months. So if my upload schedule does become less frequent, that is why. I will still try to get out probably 2 videos a week to you guys, but we'll see what happens. With that said, thank you for watching. As always, be sure to check out the Groupme and eBay. Both links are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.